Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to grip the root of your braid if you're doing jumbo box braids. This can be done on long hair, short hair, it doesn't matter. The first thing you want to do is to moisturize your hair with the TM Hair Products Perfect Assist Styling Aid. You know, I know, we all know synthetic hair is drying to our hair and it causes our hair to break and become brittle and our ends to be damaged. But if you use the Perfect Assist Styling Aid prior to putting your braids in, it keeps your hair moisturized so that you don't have that problem when you take your braids out. Now, after you've applied the Perfect Assist Styling Aid, you'll take a third of the hair that you're using for your box braids. Not half, a third, because you also have the hair that's in the rubber band. So you're going to slide the crochet hook underneath the rubber band and slide the hair through behind the rubber band, as you can see here. Now, once you slide the hair through, this makes it secure because the rubber band is holding your hair and is keeping the synthetic hair in place. Also, if you want to flip your hair and put it in a ponytail or something like that, the rubber band is covered. A lot of times when we see the rubber band method being used, if you flip the hair up, you can see the rubber band. With this technique, you won't be able to see the rubber band. Now you'll take the other 2/3 of hair that you have and start braiding around the rubber band, like so. Now you only take a third of the hair because you have your hair that you combine with the hair that you use to slide underneath the rubber band, so that your braids can be even and smooth. And then the Perfect Assist Styling Aid is going to help your hair have that nice shine and luster to match the synthetic hair, so that your hair don't look dry in between the synthetic braids. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of this in just a second. As you can see here, how her hair blends in perfectly with the synthetic hair. Her hair is not dull and dry, and the synthetic hair is shiny. Her hair has a nice luster and shine on it as well, so it blends in better with the synthetic hair. Now, as you see how the rubber band is perfectly hidden, the braid is very secure. That braid ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. As you can see, I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer so you can see how her hair blends in with the synthetic hair, and that you have 3 equal parts. That's why you use 1/3 of the hair to put around the rubber band, and then the other 2/3 you use to braid the braid. So you have 3 equal parts of hair, so you don't have 1 skinny part and 2 fat ones, and it all works out. If you guys have not done so, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of new videos. I hope you guys are staying safe. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.